Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome if you are new. So today's nail video is very exciting because I'm going to be trying out some new gel extension products. Finally, you guys know I use the same things over and over and over again because if I love something, I just stick to it. But I really been wanting to just try some new things for the sake of content on this channel. So I was so excited when Gelfully reached out to me to try some of their products. So they're a small business and they did send me all of these products. So it's not sponsored or anything, but I really wanted to share because I really love them. Their branding was on point. They sent everything that I needed for a full gel extension set, and that's what we're going to be using today. So I have everything I need for these nails, starting from nail prep all the way to nail design. So yeah, I'm really excited to share all these new products and this nail set that I created with you guys. If you're interested in any of their products, I'll leave their website link, their Instagram, all their information in the description box below. So check it out and let's just get into the video. So this design is definitely a Valentine's Day inspired design. Although I'm late to posting before Valentine's Day, this design is simple enough that it could be used on any occasion, maybe just switch up the colors. But here are my natural nails. I've been having a really bad habit of biting them again, but I'm using the Gelfully Soak Off Gel Tips. I have the almond shape medium length tips, and this nail kit comes with 552 pieces and 12 different nail sizes, so you should be able to find a nail tip that fits your nail bed. So I picked out all of my nail sizes, and now I'm going in with my dehydrator and my nail primer on my natural nails, and this is going to help your gel extensions last long. And next I'm going in with a thin layer of the gel glue on my natural nails, and I find that this has definitely been helping with the retention of my nails. And then I cure that for 60 seconds. So these gel tips do come pre-buffed on the inside, but I wanted to just follow my normal routine and also buff out the edges on the outside cuticle area. I find that this helps with lifting as my nails grow out. So I just took my sanding band and filed the cuticle area of all the nail tips that I was going to be using. And the fact that the nails are already pre-buffed on the inside will definitely help you save time because it avoids you having to use primer to etch the inside or to buff it on your own using your nail file. So next I'm just going to start applying the extensions. I'm using that same gel glue and I'm putting that on the inside of the nail tip. I like to coat a thin layer all around the area where the nail tip is going to be laying on my nail bed, and then I go in with a little bit of an extra blob down the center of the nail to just give it like that extra fill that it needs. And finding the right amount of gel is always kind of a tricky process. It's kind of trial and error. I kind of know at this point how much gel I need, how much is too much, how much is too little. You just have to find the perfect amount so that you don't have any air bubbles and you don't have your nails lifting, or so that it's not too much that it starts squirting out when you go to cure it. Also, these gel tips don't have a large apex or like a large curve to them. They're more on the flatter, like natural side. And that's good because you don't need as much gel to fill in that space, but also just depends on your nail bed shape. So I was using my gooseneck lamp to cure each nail individually for like 15-20 seconds, and then once they're all applied, I'm gonna stick my entire hand under the big UV LED lamp for 60 seconds. I was really interested and confused by this nail file at the same time. I figured it out, thankfully, because at first I was like, I just think something is wrong here. I don't know what is going on. I've never seen a metal nail file first. And then the actual nail file portion, like the sanding band part, was so thin. I was like, there's no way I'm gonna be able to file my nails like this. But then I discovered that the sanding band portion, or whatever you wanna call it, that rough part of the nail file, is actually a little sticker, and you stick it onto that metal nail file that the kit comes with. I think that is so cool because you can reuse this so many times, and I am one to throw out nail files so often because I use them and then the grit of them just disappears and I always have to get a new one. So instead of buying a brand new nail file, you can just buy these little sticky bands and stick them on the metal nail file that you can literally use forever. So once I figured that out, it was just like a normal nail file. These are 100 and 180 grit bands, and you can even customize it. You can make the full thing 100, 100, 180, 180, but I like mine to be 100 and 180. And that's kind of like a standard nail file anyway. But yeah, that was really interesting. I think that's a really cool feature from this Gelfully nail kit that I got. And then these gel extensions really didn't need a lot of nail filing. I love the shape of them already. The almond shape was beautiful. It was nice and narrow, so I didn't need to like narrow it out like I usually do with the round apres tips that I like to use. The length of them was great, so I didn't need to do any cutting and refiling. I love them. So really quick on the filing, and now I'm going on to buffing my nails with these super cute heart-shaped buffers. I've never seen anything so cute. But I just went in and buffed all of the nail extensions, removing the shine before I started painting for my design. So now to get started on my nail design, I'm using this rubber-based color in the color Helen. It is so beautiful. I feel like it matched my skin tone really, really nicely. They also did have, I believe, 3 other different nude colors, just depending on your skin tone. You could choose a different color. But this is what the nude color looks like with one coat. So pretty. So I cured that for 60 seconds. And then I did go in again with a second coat just to make it a little bit more opaque. And here is what it looks like after the second coat. It's so pretty and I loved it. Now we're gonna go in with this ruby rose color to start on this little heart design. The color of the label on the bottle made it seem like it'd be a little bit brighter than what it is, but it's actually this really deep, pretty red color. So I just used that with a thin nail art brush to start creating the hearts on the tips of my nails. And this is really easy. I would say start with making a V shape where the top of the heart is going to be, and you can make it as big or as tiny as you want. But once you make that V shape, just use a curved line to connect it to the side wall of your nails, and then just trace the outline of the tip of your nail all the way down and fill it in. It's really so simple. And like I said earlier, I'm kind of late to be pushing this video out to give you guys Valentine's Day nail inspo, but who says you can't wear hearts any time of the year on your nails? You can do this design in green for St. Patty's Day or literally any color. It does not matter. You can even do white hearts. That'd be super pretty. So yeah, it's really such a simple design. It's just a little bit cuter and a little bit different than a regular French tip nail. So once I was done with all the little hearts on the tips of my nails, I cured that, and then I went in and did an outline of a heart on my ring finger and my thumbnail. I was debating if I wanted to do this, going back and forth, whether it looked good with or without it. In the end, I really liked the way that it looked. I'm happy I didn't do the outline on every single nail, but I think it looked cute, just that little detail on my ring finger and my thumbnail. So once I was done with the outline hearts, I cured that once again for 60 seconds. And then I went in with my diamond top coat. This is a non-wipe glossy top coat. It gave off a beautiful shine. And once I was done curing, I didn't have to wipe off any tacky layer or anything like that. It was just ready and good to go. And finally, I'm just going in with my cuticle oil to rehydrate those cuticles, and this is the final design. This is a really simple, beginner-friendly design that can be worn any time of the year. Like I said, didn't have to be for Valentine's Day. Sorry I didn't get this video out before Valentine's Day, but you know, life has been happening. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a red heart emoji down below if you did, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Thank you.